Sige sama na.
Mo man ang English ilo. Nosbid na butan.
Kailan mo na?
Katurang gikag Amerika.
Mo din ginaingon din sa kwada ay. Mo na.
Ay, hey Joe, what's up? Yo. Hey, come on. Let's talking just a few moments.
No problem. I'm here. Sure.
Where are you coming from? You look so happier. You one day you can talk my parents and everything. You look so happier. You're so beautiful. Hey bro.
What are you talking about, bro? You one day I'm beautiful. I'm a man. This is me, Marimar. I'm from Saudi America. You don't talk like me like that. I just want to visit my stone farm there, right there. Yo, where are you going, man?
We are walking there. I'm visiting my kamutihan there. My kamutihan is very dagko.
How did you grow your kamote? Because I don't know what is kamote is like that. What? But I can't. Can you explain to me what is kamote? Because I don't know, bro.
Ang na English ilo din. Kalami ding sa bagon nga.
Kinsa man nila ni.
Tag-US ka. Buang gid ta. Kay taga kita naman ni maglagot. Surat ng dugo kay sige in English. Magsidura ka pa yung paminaw sabot
Yung di pang istorya unsa to? Yung di pang istorya di.
What now? He visit daw her stoner.
What are you talking about you two? What are you talking? I don't know what you're saying. I hate drugs.
No. I'm chika with my friends because you are so good. But why you good? Where are you? Nosebleed bro. Hey, you're so bloody. You're gidugo. Hey bro. My friends is gidugo. Look at her nose. Bro, parang naamang ka na bro. Wala ka nang masalita.
Oh man, what happened to your companion? The nose is bleeding. The bleeding is the nose. We should bring him to hospital or what something.
Lami bagay ni mga
You should practice your English and vocabulary and speaking dollars, man, because in Saudi America that is very useful. If you don't know to speak the English in spoken dollars and Bisaya accent, you can't go there and you can't speaking to there. To the people, how many people? Abusan na rin ako ng English, guys.
Hey Joe, you're okay bro? You look at my ano ba yung? Your nose. I'm bloody. I'm not good in spakang na English. Oh, my nose is bloody now. Hey bro,
What happened to your nose, your toe? Why are you hardening you're hardening in spoken in dollars? Sus Ginoo.
Pastilan.
Oh, Bisaya mo gud pug ko. Ni mala mong duwa. Naglisod pa mo. Nagtar mo gud dito babaw kay maglibang ka dito sa may batuan. Taka naman mo duwa. Babuang eh. English pataka ra mo English kumuti og. Unsa na mo kauban no?
tawa. Usa ni mahitabo sa
Usa na mo rin anak ko nga nag-ingon kay
buwang ka.
Ingon ka eh bro.
Bro.
Hey bro, where are you going? Ingon man ka.
Para ako kauban, unsa na nosebleed na nakuyapan.
Bugo.
Uy, no. Bisaya man ka. Di ka matis pero yung mga English.
Kabangat ka mo kauban kung sabak ka.
Bro. You're gidugo na gyud.
Anong kailangan kong gawin? Upang malaman mo ikaw ang hinama.
Grabe
Balanga po kaya to eh.
So what's up guys? So daghan kayong maraming salamat pala sa nanood sa aming vlog at kayo ay nabulag. And guys, para pakilala ko sa inyo yung aking kasama, si Mr. Pips Pilayo. I-share ko sa community guys, and then subscribe naman itong mukhang to. Manan, mukhang baliw lang yan, pero baliw talaga yan guys. Buang yan, buang. And syempre shoutout pala kay Kwan, shoutout pala kay Ate Amazing Grace, dalawang Grace at Grace Parson din. Then kay Ate Dora J Channel, and sa Team Laway dyan, Uncle Ray, yan, thank you so much. Ate Hiwang, yan. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. 2.1 subscriber na tayo. Sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, subscribe na kayo guys. Ay, mauwi naman kayo, mahirap mo kumita ng pira ay. Pati din si Pips Pilaya guys. So ayun na nga, ayun na yung lahat. So see you next
Salamat
video.
sa 1 million subscribers.
Bye bye.
Sa 10K nga viewers.